7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. So fire it up to show you that it does operate. It's on the 3rd speed right now. We shift it over to 1st speed and then 2nd speed. We checked the coolant pump. It does operate. Hydraulic downfeed. It also operates. It's a little difficult to pick up because the head's very heavy on it, but here you go. There was missing a knob here for this adjuster, so we put a aftermarket knob. Just want to show you this. This is the tension spring, so when you bring it up, the head stays up in the air along with the hydraulic downfeed. Well, this bracket broke, as you can plainly see here, and so this whole assembly here will have to be replaced. Also, the cap for the gearbox is missing. There is gear oil on here. Overall, the machine is in really good condition. Got a few little paint scuffs on the base. It includes 4 casters, 2 axles. There's your screen right there. You have a material stop, and you can also do vertical cuts with it with this adapter plate right here.